Today I want to tell you about Hina Naveed. She's the 127th dreamer whose story I've told on the floor of the Senate. Hina was born in Pakistan, came to the United States from Dubai when she was 10 years old, grew up in Fall River, Massachusetts. She sent me a letter, and here's what she said about growing up. I had a pretty typical experience navigating a new country and a new school system. It wasn't until I turned 16 and my peers were getting their permits to drive and their first jobs that I really felt the impact of being undocumented. Hina was an excellent student. High school, she was president of the National Honor Society and Key Club. She graduated as salutatorian of her class, ranked second out of 350 students with a 4.0 GPA. She received the Outstanding Vocational Student for Health Careers Award and overall Outstanding Vocational Student Award. She went to the City University of New York, College of Staten Island, Associate's degree in Liberal Arts and Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, studied at CUNY Law School, where she graduated with a law degree, and thanks to DACA, Hina became a registered nurse. She worked as Director of Health Services for a nonprofit community-based organization in New York. Her department provides healthcare services for children in foster care, many of whom are victims of medical neglect. She's also a member of the New York City Medical Reserve Corps. At the height of the pandemic, she volunteered on weekends at a hospital and at a residential facility with COVID-19 patients. Hina wrote to me about her plans. I want to work on health policy reform at a local and state level in an effort to achieve health quality for all. This pandemic has highlighted health disparities that long existed. I want to be part of making change. I want to see it and experience it. Here's what Hina said about DACA and what it meant to her. DACA has been life-changing. It has allowed me to drive a car, work, achieve fiscal independence, continue higher education, contribute to my community more than I could otherwise. However, it is temporary, and with the benefits it provides, it casts a shadow over my life. I have to plan my life in 2-year increments. Well, let me start by saying thank you to her, to Hina Naveed for her service on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic. All of us are in awe of our healthcare heroes. She is an immigrant healthcare hero. She is a DACA healthcare hero. She has put herself and her family at risk to protect others. She also shouldn't have to worry about being deported tomorrow and her family facing division. Will America be a stronger country if we just upped and deported her, or if she became an American citizen? I think the choice is clear.